morning, guys. What's going on? Hope all is well. Going to Rockland County, New York today, which is on the other side of the Hudson River, which to me, it's like an hour and a half drive. But we have to change out a compressor for an old R22 Lennox. I think it's a 2002. We went ahead and quoted them a replacement rooftop unit, and they chose to go with the repair. I don't think it's a wise decision. It's a newer customer of ours, so I don't know the history of the equipment. All I do know is that the compressor is shot. But again, I'm just going to change it, start it up, and go from there. But I don't know. Hope all is well. Let's see what it is. R22. That's with that plastic thing in it, though. Yeah, I hate that thing. Let me see it.
More Vito bags.
Yeah, I hate that bag. I like the Vitos over there.
More Vito than that.
Yeah. So you got some heating and cooling things in here. The Lennox hat. What else? Lennox is a good... They gave us water. They gave us water. They gave us food. What'd you get? Popcorn, guy? I think it's a goodie bag. Got a beer cooler. That's for Ryan Hughes right there. Hughes Man HVAC. Misfits of HVAC. Check them out. Jennifer, what's up? Pretty cool. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's crazy. All right. Let's open this guy up. Give me the right match, please. Thanks. Give me my screwdriver for a second. A screwdriver, like at my thermos. We're gonna go downstairs and just check our resources. We are at a garden shop?
Wall hours paid for.
Yeah, wall hours. And he said he can lift this up for us. I don't think that's gonna lift it, bro. You better have something heavier. You better have something higher than that.
That?
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
No, it won't. You're not gonna get that high.
Jeffy sits on that thing to pipe a mini split.
He does? Alright, let's see. Awesome. Get that too. Cool. Alright, so we're gonna do the filter dry, right? Let me have that. Let me get it. Poke right here. Pulling it out. also got to do some winter work over here. So like I said, I don't know why they're rebuilding this thing. This is crazy, 2002. But they didn't want to replace it, so it is what it is. We got to remove and replace this draft inducer, this control board. This we rode up to, and we weren't able to get it today, but we will return to replace this. Probably not OSHA approved. Chris, OSHA 30? Yeah, that's definitely safer than the rope. So this is an R22 system. I don't know if I told you guys before. And they elected to fix it. Looks like somebody replaced that in 2016, that unit is. But this 2002, they wanted to fix it. So it had a bad compressor, had some bad heating things going on. I don't know if they just bought this building or not, but we got to throw in factory charge and then do some temperature, pressure or check the pressure temperature, but let that vacuum pull down. We're going to do this for now. But yeah, like I said before, that's an 02 and it is what it is. YouTube, he's like, what do you say? What do you do? Your sister's ass or something like that? No? He's like, I don't know if he's a comedian or what, but what do you say? What do you do? Something like that. So we're going to change this inducer. And the board. And like I said, we're waiting for this board, or the control and the board we're waiting for. We have the control board. Oh, wait. No, that's not it. That's a limit control. High limit. What did Jay-Z say in that song? This ain't work, this is light work, right? Just kidding. Get up there, you're late. Get up there, you're late. We need to grab the gasket there. So this is dry rotted and old, so to replace it, I have some new one in the truck. I had a new one in the truck, so I'll cut it down and replace it. Pressure switch to inducer. All right, let me see my 5/16, please. Driver, 2-in-1. Get up there, you're late. Kid's got to chill with his muffler, dude. Okay. Keep the door on. Check the pressures and temps right now. You put the filters back before? Good. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This guy's good. I appreciate everything. Take care. Have a good day. Enjoy this weather too. Beautiful out.